folks, welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Review. My name is Larry Barones right here in Fort Worth, Texas, and thank you for joining me today. Today it's going to be not about a fountain pen, but about a rollerball pen. For those who are interested in rollerballs, ballpoint pens, gel pens, mechanical pencils, this may be right up your alley. But if you're not, then hit that forward button and you can go. But if you're interested in this rollerball, hang with me, okay? Because I think you're going to find it interesting, to say the least. Okay. First of all, let's look at this pen. It comes in the Jinhao box with Jinhao and the logo on the front of the box in that beautiful orange and black regular cardboard. Kind of reminds me of what the I'm trying to think, is it the Lamy Safari comes in type of box? But here it is. So let's open it up. It got kind of squished up in the mail, and this is what's on the inside. Okay, but it did come with this little sleeve on it like that, and that's how it came. Okay, so beautiful green, lime green. It is a beautiful color. One of my favorite Jinhao pens. Very affordable. I love the weight, the look, the feel. So let me tell you how much it weighs. .9 G's. Okay, that's the weight. And while I'm at it, I'll go ahead and give you a bit of the measurements here. For those who are new, this pen cap would be about 5.54 inches. All right. So, beautiful color. It's heavy lacquered for sure. And it's got that beautiful gold-plated trim for the hardware. Nice looking clip. And we'll just see how it does on the shirt. Very nicely and secure. And cigar shape. I like that. I do like the band. It's got a nice wide thick band on it. It says Jinhao 159. And then at the top of the cap, there's another gold-plated ring around here where the clip is attached to that one. And then as we go down the barrel, it kind of slims down right in here. And then there is another gold ring down at the bottom. Now, it unscrews, and let's see what's under the hood. Are you ready? This may surprise you. Bam. Here it is. The rollerball tip. And does it post? And it does post nice and securely. That would be fine for me, but you have to watch out because that will do that. So you really have to put it on there really hard, but still at times when you're using it a lot and shaking it, it might come off. So I usually use it like that. It works well for me. I have small hands, but medium-sized hands, even big hands, you can even write up here. And there's nothing that's going to be annoying that's going to get in your way. As you go down the barrel, there's a nice size girthy grip down here. And this is the part where the cap screws on section here very nicely. So you have a nice decent size grip. And then you come down here, there's another little gold ring right there. And then from there it goes into a cone shape, and then there is your rollerball tip. Let's unscrew the barrel. And here is the rollerball tip. Okay, screw that out. It says Jinhao on there. And I'm looking for some numbers here. It's a 0.7 millimeter. So they call this, well, this number describes the broad nib, medium broad nib. When they say broad nib, then they'll say 0.7 millimeters, but it does have a nice nib on it. Talking about a fountain pen, but this screws in nice and securely. And this rollerball, I was really impressed. I've never ever owned a Jinhao rollerball. Never, never. So let's get this Tomo River paper and let's do some writing with it, and let's see how she does. This is the Jinhao. Very nice. Okay. Do a little wet test there. It does lay down the ink. Look at that. Nice. That is sweet. That's how I like my nibs. So thank goodness that the rollerball lays down the ink just like I like it. It's got really good ink flow in the pen. Feels great in the hand. I believe if you're a rollerball user, I will believe that you will truly enjoy this 159 rollerball. Affordable, nice looking. So that's it. What's your thoughts on the Jinhao 159 rollerball? Really, you can't go wrong with it. It's a win-win, I think. So, folks, that's going to wind it up for today. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for taking the time and joining me today. And I thought myself, this was really a very interesting review. Like I said, I've never did a Jinhao rollerball anything. And I was very curious, and I was very doubtful, and I was just like, not going to write well. But it totally took me by surprise how awesome this rollerball wrote. I love it. I really do. Oh yeah, I'm a big fountain pen guy in the story, but I got to give this some credit. Thank you for joining me today, my good friends, and stay safe, follow the rules, and a lot of peace, a lot of love to each and every one of you. And with that said, before I go, please don't text and don't drive. Later.